you drive, that's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Have you guys met my son?
Just bought it, bro. Brand new from the dealership.
Yo, how do you even
Can
fit
you park
in
it
this,
up?
bro?
Can you park
50
it?
bands.
Can you park
Yeah,
it, please?
bro.
Wait, put some music on.
Woo! Perfect.
Hold on, bump some beats.
That's somewhere.
Hey.
Bump some beats.
Wow. Sorry, man. You know the dealership didn't connect the radio. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're into that classical, eh?
Fuck it. We gotta lock it up. Make sure nobody steals it.
Alright, my son, let me help you out.
Okay. Ish, man. Ish, man. It's like 2020, buddy.
Jeez.
Okay, wait. So is that cash debit credit?
That's a gift. What kind of Indian giver are you, bro?
So, as you may be aware, we at Too Fast enjoy toys, and so do our friends. And when we get toys, they want to come play. So, yo, you can probably see it behind me, but jeez, look at that.
God, you were so anorexic.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Sean, Too Fast TV, back with another episode.
Hey, yo, the camera's trying to look at me.
Yo, you're too beautiful, fam. That's why.
That's why, bro.
Jeez.
Too Fast TV, baby. Guys,
Yeah.
there's a lot of bikes coming in, and I'm telling you, there's a lot more. Sean, I just stole your entrance.
Yo, it's all good, fam.
So let me just tell you what's good, guys. Too Fast TV. If you guys don't know, we always got some wild, wild, wild stuff going on. As you can see, take a look right here, guys.
Got the lineup starting.
Okay.
I'm telling you, this meet's gonna be lit. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Make sure you hit that subscribe button at the bottom. You know that little red box, in case some of y'all don't know what the subscribe button is. That's what it is. Hit that button, and we're gonna get into this episode right quick. Yo, Nico, tell them something, bro. Tell them something.
It's bike life, baby. Let's get it.
It's bike life shit.
We're giving away a lot of stuff. $1,000. Woo, did somebody say $1,000? Yeah, I'm telling you guys, that was me. I said $1,000 worth of car parts. $1,000, you can buy a lot of car parts. I'm telling you guys, and you'll enter to win a car. A free car. Did somebody? Yeah, I said a free car, guys. And it's gonna be wild. And it's not just any normal car. It's got some 2 spoolie boys. It's got some wide booty, some 3-piece rims. So you'll be decked out. You'll be ready for summer. I'm telling you, once we reveal this car, everybody's gonna want an entry. Because we got 10 different people that can win. Fast TV, baby. Guys, there's a lot of bikes coming in, and I'm telling you, there's a lot more.
It's bike life, baby. Let's get it.
It's bike like shit.
Tell them, baby.
Down to the wire, boy. I know you saw those sparks. Yeah. Down below. I don't even know if you can hear me over the comes to music. Fast TV. Yo, we're giving away $1,000. Like, what the fuck, bro? Hit subscribe.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. That's
Hit,
how we do it.
Tell them hit subscribe. That's what it is.
Yeah. Fast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish.
So high off this rubber. You're laughing against every time.
Can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.